What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Idex, which has pumped up in value once again guys, 40% up in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just below 11 cents. So we're going to be looking at what is next for Idex. Should you invest into it right now? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profit? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours, days, weeks, and so on? So yes, we are going to cover both buyers and sellers' point of view, looking at his prediction as well on what's the best thing to do right now, and should you wait for it to drop down in value, or is it time to invest into it? Looking at his prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can Idex go, and is it a crypto worth investing into? So before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website. We can see the market is down 2% in the last 24 hours. And yes, guys, we do have Idex as the top gainer in the last 24 hours. As you can see here, in the last hour itself, we managed to gain a massive 8% in value. Again, 80% may not seem like a lot, but when it's within just an hour, it is a huge increase. Over the last day, 44%. Over the week, 73%. As you can see, major increases here, hitting 11 cents just about a week ago, dropped back down, and right now pumping back up. And over the month, over 100% increase, and it all started around the 23rd of May, where it started increasing in value. Ever since then, it's been quite volatile, but it has managed to maintain the green side, which is all that matters, and at the moment it's performing very well. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 1,000% in the last 24 hours, making it $332 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded, and of course a huge percentage increase, as it is the top gainer in the last 24 hours. Even according to Binance, as you can see, top gainers is Idex. So at the moment is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype, meaning a lot more traders, more buyers, more sellers, and in general just a lot of people looking into the project. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart right now, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Idex, which is here in purple at just about 7 cents. However, we can see it trading at a much higher value here in green at just under 11 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So what I'm going to do now is zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning more increases in value are on the way for Idex. So let's say over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Idex to be going for an overall increase in value, potentially hitting about 12 to 13 cents towards the end of the day today. However, that doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting green candles. Of course not. It's likely to take a little dip in between, drop down in value to about 10 cents or even just below 10 cents before it pumps up in value later on this afternoon, this evening. Pumping up to about 13 cents is what I'm expecting towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. But again, do expect it to be volatile, just like how it's been, but the overall outcome seems to be moving towards a positive direction, which is all that matters. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Still looking very bullish, very positive, guys. We've got the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, however, in this case, meaning it's not too realistic. However, over the next 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of this week, early next week, I am expecting an overall increase in value from Idex, and at this point, we should be trading around the 15 cents target. Just because I'm expecting an increase in value, it doesn't mean it's going to be a major pump or a major bull run or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal increase in value, and of course, we are going to see red days in between where it's likely to take a little bit of a step back, but the green days are going to overtake the red days, meaning an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting over the next week or so from Idex. Hitting about 14 to 15 cents is what my predictions are, depending of course on how the crypto market performs. If it goes for a major pump or a crash or anything like that, these things will have a major impact on the value of Idex and the crypto market in general. But anything like that, that's why I'm here, guys, to keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, guys, as you can see, the blue and the orange line are still looking bullish, quite positive. However, they are looking way too steep, meaning it's not realistic, guys. And again, mentioned it plenty of times, whenever you see a MACD indicator looking this steep, it means it's not realistic, and the exact same applies to Idex. So guys, even though I am expecting an overall increase in value over the next 6 to 8 weeks from Idex, I'm not expecting a major pump or anything like that. So let's say mid to late June 2023, I'm expecting Idex to be hitting about 22 to 24 cents in target by late June, depending again on how Bitcoin in specific performs. For example, if Bitcoin manages to pump up over 35-40k over the next 2 months, then yes, we are going to see major increases in the crypto market. However, it could go either way. If it does drop down below about 20k, then we are going to see major drops in the crypto market. But again, crypto is a very volatile market, and that is why I keep you guys updated on a daily basis on the crypto market, what to expect and so on. So yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Idex, guys. As mentioned in the thumbnail, when is it going to hit the dollar mark? Again, at the moment it is at 11 cents. It's going to have to go just about 10 times of where it is at the moment, and my expectations are towards the very end of the year is when I'm expecting Idex to be hitting the dollar mark, if the crypto market manages to stay on the green side. If not, it could be way before that or way after that, of course, depending on the crypto market. But at the moment, towards the very end of this year or very early next year is when I'm expecting Idex to be hitting the dollar mark. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting this crypto to hit the dollar mark? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And if you guys do have any other cryptocurrencies that you guys want me to cover on this channel, comment them down below as well, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you guys. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.